Hi and welcome to Elite Influencing. In this video I'm going to teach you about specific device adjustments. So the first thing you're going to do is come up here to My Account and go to the Architect. So in the Architect you have a couple different options for the devices. You have the desktop version, laptop, tablet, and mobile. In these different menus you can change how the website looks on each device. So you want to make sure when you build your website that it looks good on every device. If you see here on mobile, we can't see this button right now, so we'll want to move it up so that people on mobile can see the button. So every time you build a website, you just want to go through it and make sure that it looks good on every device. Making widgets responsive is a really good way to make sure that it'll be a lot easier to adjust things on the mobile version because it will stay the same throughout each device. You can see that in our responsive versus freeform video. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.